In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot in Outlook. Before we begin, a quick note on what we're doing and why. Copilot in Outlook brings AI assistance right into your inbox, helping you draft, summarize, and manage emails more efficiently. Turning it on takes just a moment, and once it's enabled, the tools will be available where you work every day. If you're using a work or school account, availability may depend on your organization's settings, but the process I'll show you is the same. Let's get started by opening Outlook and heading to Settings. Look toward the top right corner of the Outlook window and click the gear icon. That's the Settings button. This opens a panel or window where you can control how Outlook behaves. We're going to make one small change there to turn on Copilot. Inside Settings, find the section labeled General. This is where Outlook groups common preferences for your overall experience. Within General, look for the Copilot option. It may appear as its own page or subsection called Copilot under General. If your view shows a list down the left side, select General first, then choose Copilot from the options that appear. You should now see controls specific to Copilot. Next, turn on Copilot by enabling the toggle you see on this screen. When the toggle is on, Outlook will activate the Copilot features associated with your account. This doesn't change your email content or settings. It simply makes the AI tools available so you can start using them when composing, reading, or managing messages. After enabling the toggle, make sure you save your change. Click Save to confirm, then close the Settings panel. To complete the setup, restart the Outlook app. The quickest way is to close Outlook completely and then open it again. This restart allows Outlook to load Copilot properly, so it's ready the next time you use it. When Outlook relaunches, you should see Copilot features available in your compose and reading experience, depending on your version. If Copilot doesn't appear, it could be due to version differences or account permissions. In that case, make sure your app is up to date and that your organization or subscription includes Copilot. If needed, check with your IT administrator for access. And that's it. You opened Settings, navigated to General and then Copilot, turned on the toggle, saved your change, and restarted Outlook. You're now set to take advantage of AI assistance in your inbox. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your upgraded Outlook experience.